What? A waste of my talents.
Eh? What do you want?
Cool one, son.
Make it quick.
By Temple Shield!
You boys, I need aid soon. Lest my hamster become an orphan. Less butt kicking for goodness!
I don't want to talk. Is there really no one else you can
Go
bother?
for the eyes, boo! Go for
You
the
must be
eyes!
loving
Go pester someone. Sure.
Squeaky wheel gets the kick!
Yes? A waste of my talents.
Fine. Why me?
What? Of course.
That's someone else, you filthy
Make it
squad.
no sooner said than done.
Hello, if Tempus wills it.
Yes, wherever fate takes me.
Yes? What? No sooner said than done.
Cool! Squeaky wheel gets
You must
the
be
kick!
loving this.
Make it quick. No sooner said than done. Yes?
Is there really no one else you can bother?
What is your great peril yields great beauty?
By thy Valkor's
What?
mighty blade. What is your command? Hello?
Make it quick. Of course.
You have been waylaid by enemies and must
That's
defend
someone
yourself.
else, you filthy swine.
Yes?
By Tempus Shield!
What?
You point, I punch. Go for the eyes, boo! Go for the eyes!
Make it quick. Of course. A waste of my talents.
Eh? What do you want? All right, but not because you told me to.
Yes? A waste of my talents.
Gentlemen, gentlewomen, may I introduce myself? I am Eldoth Kron.
Tempest, give us victory!
What? Make it quick, of course.
It would be good for you to watch your actions while in this wood. Don't mess with nature, or it'll mess with you.
Yes? Of course.
A lot of money. I don't want to talk.
Is there really no one else you can bother?
What?
Watch someone else, you filthy swine.
Make it quick. Yes? Of course. What?
Go pet. Why me?
Make it quick. Of course. A waste of my talents.
Civilization seems far, city dweller.
Yeah, of course. What? A waste of my talents.
It would be good for you to watch your actions while in this wood.
Make it no sooner said than done.
Yes. Great peril
Yes?
yields great beauty.
No sooner said than done. What? No sooner said than done, of course. A waste of my talents.
Ooh, I'm gonna work out some anger on you. Ooh, I'm gonna work.
You have been waylaid by
Make it
enemies
quick.
and must defend yourself.
What? Make it quick, of course. No sooner said than done. Death to you all!
Yes? Love to be a lady.
Yeah, no sooner said than done.
Eh? What do you want? Is there really no one else you can bother?
What? A waste of my talents. Death to you all!
Thy temper shield!
Make it quick.
Let someone else, you filthy swine. All right, but not because you told me to.
Yes? What? A waste of my talents.
What is your bidding? Life is adventure or nothing. Yes?
Make it quick. No sooner said than done. Yes, of course. A waste of my talents. Of course.
Ooh, I'm tired.
No sooner said than done.
Don't touch me. I'm super important.
What? Of course. Of course.
As darkness falls, your mind drifts back to events past, and to triumphs well-deserved indeed. A fortified camp secluded and guarded from the entire coast, and it is naught but easy pickings before your guile. All manner of bandit and brigand move about here, but you may as well be invisible amongst them. Your recollections are interrupted by a powerful gust of wind, lifting you high above the camp and woods both. Your arc crests in the high morning sun, and for a moment you are as a bird, free from your duties to those below. With unseen hands, the earth reasserts her hold on you, and suddenly you feel less like a sparrow and more like a catapult stone. Without impact or fanfare, the ground accepts your passage and does not strike back. In a moment, all is black, and for all you know, you have descended to the very core of the world. The rock around you illuminates, and a cavern slowly takes shape, though you can see no more than a few steps ahead or behind. Stumbling forward, you find yourself face to face with yourself. Before you is a likeness in stone exact to the smallest detail. A voice in the darkness accuses you, even as it seems amused. Such pride undeserved, great predator, when your whole being is borrowed. Credit where it is due, and dues where payment is demanded. A dagger of bone flies from the blackness and strikes the statue square. It cracks slightly, but the pain you feel is as though you were rent asunder. You were made as you are, taunts the voice, and you can also be broken. You fall backward into the void, and do not come to rest until morning wakes you.
Make it quick. What? No sooner said than done.
Ooh,
A waste of my talents. Make it quick, of course. A waste of my talents.
Don't touch me. I'm super important.
No sooner said than done.
You have been waylaid by enemies.
What do you want?
I
Yes?
don't want to talk.
thy temper shield!
It's only a flesh wound.
What? No sooner said than done.
Vita, more.
No sooner said than done. Make it quick.
Go pester someone else.
Cool one, sir. Squeaky wheel
Yes?
gets the kick.
Is there really no one else you can bother?
What is your bidding?
Bunch of chumps.
What?
What the hell do you think you was doing?
A waste of my talents. Make it quick. Yes?
Touch someone else, you filthy swine.
All right.
You bowl plate
What?
and packing steel.
What is your command?
Eh? What do you want?
Make it quick. Death to you all!
Even the most prolific adventurer must have some time to rest.
Yes? Death to you all!
Is there really no one else you can bother?
Yes? Whatever they take me.
What? A waste of my talents. Make it quick. Of course.
Touch someone else, you filthy swine.
Yes? No sooner said than done. What? No sooner said than done. Make it quick. A waste of my talents. Yes?
Less talk, more fight.
Eh? What do you want?
Hello?
What is your bidding?
What? A waste of my talents.
Life is...
Is there really no one else you can bother?
Make it quick. A waste of my talents.
Yes, great peril yields great beauty.
Yes? No sooner said than done.
I'm gonna work out some anger. Catch someone else, you filthy swine.
What is your command?
As darkness falls, your mind drifts back.
What? A waste of my talents.
Hello?
Make it quick. Yes? A waste of my talents.